SASSA recipients, there's a major change happening. Your SASSA Gold Card is being replaced. And what's everyone calling it? The new SASSA Black Card. What does this mean for you? Is it legit? And most importantly, how does it affect your grant payments? Stick with me as we break it all down. The announcement. So here's what we know. SASSA and Postbank have confirmed that the SASSA Gold Card is being phased out. The replacement, what many are calling the new SASSA Black Card. This new card will be issued by Postbank and is meant to ensure uninterrupted grant payments. But why is this happening? The main reason is that the current SASSA Gold Cards were set to expire, and Postbank has introduced this new card to continue processing payments smoothly. The goal is to modernize grant payments and improve security. What you need to know about the new SASSA Black Card. Alright, let's break down some key things you should know about the new SASSA Black Card. 1. It's still managed by Postbank. Just like the Gold Card, the Black Card will be linked to Postbank for secure grant disbursement. 2. No need to reapply for your grant. If you already receive SASSA payments, your transition to the new card should be automatic. 3. Where can you use it? The card will work at ATMs, post office branches, and selected retail stores just like the Gold Card. Now, I need to stress this, be careful of scammers. Some fraudsters may try to trick grant recipients into paying fees or giving away personal details. Always get your information directly from SASSA or Postbank. How to get your new SASSA Black Card. Now, the big question, how do you get your new SASSA Black Card? Step 1. Look out for official communication from SASSA and Postbank. Step 2. Visit designated card replacement points, which will be announced. Step 3. Bring your ID and old SASSA Gold Card to swap it for the new one. Step 4. Activate your card and start using it. And don't worry, we'll keep you updated on official distribution points as they are announced, public reactions, and what's next. Many SASSA beneficiaries have mixed feelings about this change. Some welcome the upgrade, while others are worried about delays or potential fraud. What do you think? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. As more details emerge, I'll be here to break it all down for you, so make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss an update. That's it for today's update on the new SASSA Black Card. Stay informed, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.